Acepsis, an ounce of prevention. Working in collaboration with Dr. Scott Earnest, DVM, and a dairy calf consultant with ProAGtive Dairy Nutrition. Part 4 in our calf care series stresses the importance of creating clean surroundings, especially as it pertains to the feeding equipment hygiene. The purpose of using effective, efficient, and well-documented cleaning solutions and protocols is to provide repeatable cleaning processes that safeguard the health of the animals. Calf feeding equipment varies from pails and bottles to automated calf feeders. This all falls into the category of manual or COP, clean out of place, cleaning. COP is essentially the systematic manual cleaning and sanitizing of calf growing and feeding equipment. Typically, this equipment needs to be manually disassembled and hand-cleaned using protective equipment for eyes and skin protection, with appropriate detergents, sanitizers, tools, and cleaning equipment at the proper cleaning temperatures. Cleaning steps. Pre-clean rinse. Using lukewarm water, remove the gross soils from the equipment. Scrub with proper brushes and cleaning devices. Drain the soil-loaded water prior to the wash cycle. Use a detergent wash for the next step. Clean the equipment and components with hot water at a temperature from 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with a chlorinated alkaline detergent such as chloroform. Make sure the alkalinity is greater than a pH of 11. Use an ORP meter to test for proper cleaning. Next, the rinse cycle. Rinse with cold water. After cleaning and rinsing comes the all-important step of sanitizing. Using Habistat at a concentration of 50 parts per million of active chlorine dioxide, spray sanitize both the inside and the outside of the feeding equipment. Finally, the easiest step. Allow to air dry. Let the equipment dry on a drying rack. Do not stack equipment on the floor or on boards. For more information on CalfBiosecurity and well-being, check out the rest of the video series on YouTube, or contact us at info@acepsis.com, or visit us at www.acepsis.com. Acepsis, an ounce of prevention.